Good day, residents of Germantown. I'm your mayor, Mike Palazzolo. Today, I'm joined by Fire Chief John Selberg, and hopefully you've noticed we are exhibiting social distancing today. Today, I'd like to brief you on the COVID-19 virus that is an international, state, and local crisis. We would like to make sure that the city of Germantown and its residents can rest assured that city governing has a continuity plan and will work to provide all critical and essential services as we move forward. Last Thursday, March the 12th, we initiated our emergency preparedness plan, and as such, we have begun to take measures here in the city, culminating today on the 18th, Wednesday the 18th, to essentially close City Hall at the end of the day. However, we will provide all services on a seamless basis. I've asked Chief Selberg, who is our Emergency Management Director, to brief the community on some of the measures that the fire department and our first responders are taking. Chief?
Thank you, Mayor. Well, as you mentioned, the city activated our emergency management plan, and we've been utilizing our emergency management team to basically coordinate our operations to meet this challenge. The emergency management team consists of the mayor, city administrator, our department heads, and key city staff. As fire chief, I also serve as emergency manager and coordinate our emergency operations. Our emergency management team has been meeting daily to oversee our operations and to plan for this. We also have a pandemic plan for the city for continuity of operations and government that we're using to work through this. We've been staying in touch with our partners at the state and county health department, our state EMS division, our county emergency management agency, and other agencies to assist us with this. The fire department is also working closely with our medical director, the hospitals, and the other EMS agencies on our response procedures. Our biggest concern right now is if this was to get so many patients that it starts overwhelming our hospitals, that will have a large effect on our ambulances and even the offload times for our patients. So that's why we appreciate these efforts to try to what they call flatten the curve to limit how many patients are actually ending up in the hospital. Fire and police department and dispatch are working closely together with our state associations and partners on our response procedures. The fire and police are utilizing the proper PPE or protective apparel for suspected calls, and everyone is doing a very good job on taking this seriously to take care of our community. Additionally, some things that we're doing around the city, additional cleaning of our city facilities to make sure they're safe. And the big thing that we're doing is what everyone's doing is taking those precautions to try and limit our employees getting sick so that we can continue offering the services to our community, including the distancing and some of our personnel even working from home.
Chief, thank you for that update. We certainly do appreciate all of the work that our first responders are doing, including Germantown Fire, Germantown Police, Germantown Ambulance. I want you to rest assured as a community that we will bring you all these critical and essential services, also to include public works, water services as well, and everything else you expect from your city. What you can do as a resident of Germantown is exhibit some leadership in your own family, in your own household. Please, please stay at home during this time. Only leave the home in essential reasons, visiting the store, the pharmacy, and only a few times. Together we can get through this and make sure that Germantown remains a community of choice. Thank you for making Germantown your home.